A negotiation is not a simple thing. It's not terribly difficult. There are people that do this for a living. Almost anyone with a business background or sales background negotiates. Doing it right in the world of software is a complicated dance because of the 7 moving parts or the 7 TCO components that I mentioned before, and because one negotiator from the client side may be concurrently with 2 or 3 vendor suppliers just for one solution stack, and 1 or 2 software implementation partners at the same time, and trying to come together for all of that into one fulcrum point at the end of 4 weeks. So with that in mind, there's a method to this, there's a way to succeed. And if this picture is any testimony, there are successes to be had.